Hi Bellas, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I want to review the Morphie x Jaclyn Hill palette. This is called Bling Boss. It retails at Ulta for $15, so you can get it there. And I won this actually by one of my co-makeup artists, my fellow makeup artist I should say, and she was doing a giveaway and I actually won. But we also, share each other's information. She's on my Instagram, I'm on hers. We also are following each other here on YouTube. So I thought it was really cool that I actually won something from somebody that I generally like watching and commenting on her photos. I think she's a bomb makeup artist. Her name is Melissa Rivera and I'm leaving her information right here for you guys. Now, to all those who are new to Brown Girl Bella, I want to welcome you to the family and say sit back, relax, and you're going to have a great time. For all my Bellas who are seasoned and have been with me for a while, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you with me. So let's get into this palette, shall we? Let's go. So at first blush, these colors look really warm and rich. There you go. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shadows, and I will attempt to swatch them. You guys know, if you're seasoned here for a while, you know me and swatches don't really get along, but we're gonna try it today. Alright, so in order, I'm going to go in order, and I'm going to get out the little description they put in of each of the items. So as I'm swatching, I can tell you, exactly what the color payoff should be based on what they say. So, starting with the first row, we're going to go Bling Bling, which is a silvery pink glitz. Let's move those bracelets out the way. Damn, this would not be my channel if I'm not dropping ish like a pigeon. Oh my gosh, I need a new table that's bigger than what I have, so everything that's on it doesn't fall all over the place. Okay, so I did Bling Bling, which is a silvery pink glitz. The next color is Hush Hush, which is a matte lilac mauve, and you would see it if I'm not moving these bracelets around. Okay, there's a silvery mauve. You can barely see it. Let's try it again. There we go. That is a metallic lilac mauve. The next color is called Hush Hush. It's a matte lilac mauve. The next is called Pizzazz. Pizzazz is a glistening magenta. Alright. Sorry. Next we have Sparks. I'm sorry, I skipped one. The next one is actually Mystic, which is a matte blackberry. That's what it looks like. Grab a little bit more. There we go. The next is Spark. This is a matte ruby red. Let's try that again. There we go. The next is Glitz and Glam. That's a shimmery rose gold. That's pretty. The next one is Rockstar. It's a matte mulberry. I'll get you some more of that. The next is Ballsy. It's a glistening mauve pink. And the last one is called Berry Treasure, and that is a glittering charcoal black. That is gorgeous. That right there is gorgeous. All right, so at first blush, some of these colors I've had and seen before in other palettes, but that last one, that Berry Treasure, oh my God, that color is amazing. And I did not think it was a charcoal black in the pan, and even when I put it up to camera, it looks like almost a like a deep wine color, like a plum, like a purple plum. But the fact that she says it's a charcoal black, oh my God. I mean, first of all, these colors are beyond creamy. They're very rich and they feel buttery to the touch, which I never had a Jaclyn Hill palette before. I don't think. I gotta look through my old palettes, but I don't think I've ever had one before by her. But this palette right here is bomb. So, I mean, I don't know which one to talk to first and which one I should try first, but I think I'm definitely going to do that Berry Treasure. That's definitely going to be the star of the show. But I think I'm going to start off with a little bit of the Sparks, and then I'm going to go Rockstar, maybe a little Mystic, and then go into Berry Treasure. All right, you guys with me? All right, here we go. So starting off with a tapered brush. This is by Farrah. This is one of the brushes that I got from Ipsy. There is kick up in the palette, so don't be afraid of that. But I'm doing a little higher up from the crease, because as you can see, I put some concealer this time on my crease, so I'm a little creasy. I'm a little creasy in the crease. Crazy. Alright, so putting this color down is very easy, I will say that. There's no patchiness. It's pretty even with the consistency. And I like it. So far, so good. I'm going to switch brushes and get a little bit more tapered brush. Yes. Okay. I have brushes all over the place, so I'm going to take a little bit closer tapered brush. And now I'm going to go into Rockstar, that purpley shade. It's like almost like a deep purple matte. Oh, that looks really nice. Stunning, stunning. All right, let's do the other side. Oh my goodness. Are you like me? Like, I started off earlier today, I did my skincare, washed my face, and I was putting moisturizer on, and I was like, oh no, this feels so good. I don't want to put makeup on and like ruin this moment, because my skin just felt so good from the moisturizer. If you've had that issue, let me know in the comment section below if you've ever felt like that, especially on the weekends. Like if I'm not going anywhere and I'm not doing much, I'm like, why do I need to put on makeup? And then I remember, yes, because I'm filming for you guys. So this is all for you. Next, I think I'm gonna go into the Mystic, this one over here. So let's take that. And like I said, there's a lot of kick up in the pan. And I'm gonna just put that just in this corner over here. I'm gonna put that mystic right there. And just deepen that edge a little bit. And do it on the other side so we're even. I really like this color. I'm gonna put it down towards the lid as well. Over, I'm just gonna lightly wash over the lid with what's left over, not adding anything else. And then I'm going to take my Farrah brush and I'm just going to smooth over that blend. I'm going to go in with the Berry Treasure using my fingers. And I'm just going to lightly tap it in the center. Ooh-wee! Oh my God, that is amazing. This is in Royal Plum. And I'm just going to do my lower lid at that waterline and just bring that Royal Plum all across. Now with my pencil pointed brush, I'm going to go back in that Rockstar shade and just lightly tap into that color, deposit it on that lower lash line. And then with another clean bullet brush, I'm going to go into that Buried Treasure and just deposit that right in the center so it mimics what's going on top. I'm just going to take, this is Sex Kitten by Tarte. We're just going to line the top of the eye. Alright. And to finish off, I'm going to prime the lower lashes. And do the top of the lash with my Marc Jacobs. Alright, I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and come back with my final thoughts. Hi Bellas, I'm back with my final thoughts. So I really like the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Like I said, these colors here are very rich, they're creamy, and I think I have a dupe on my hand. So if I do a swatch again of Buried Treasure, oops, which I'll do right here, and this is Bobbi Brown Black Cocoa. Right next to it. Ah, okay. Black Cocoa is a little lighter, but you see the reflex are almost the same. The shift in the color is almost the same as well. So if you have Black Cocoa by Bobbi Brown, I'd say you don't need Buried Treasure. But I do love this palette. Again, thank you, Melissa, for selecting me. This has been a great palette so far. I can't wait to try out the other colors. I definitely have to do Gem, which is another standout shade in here. It's a purplish color, which I don't really do a whole lot because I think purple for me almost makes me look like I got socked in the eye, but I will try it for my Bellas out there, and hopefully all goes well. So again, please like this video, thumbs up, really helps me out a lot. Don't forget to like and comment in the comment section below. Also, I am trying to be a Sephora member of their squad, and they're doing this whole big online campaign to get people who are YouTubers or Instagram makeup artists or budding makeup artists, whatever skill level they're at, whatever subscriber list they're at, to be a member of their Sephora squad. So please write a testimonial for me. I'm gonna leave that in the description box below as well, so you guys can please just, you know, give a girl a shot. I did this because I love seeing women look their absolute best. And if I can help them with just a few makeup techniques, you don't have to be like the Instagram models out there and all glammed up, but just with a simple couple of tips and tricks, you can look your absolute best, which hopefully will make you feel your absolute best, because you are the absolute best. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I always leave another video right here so you can get all caught up on all things Brown Girl Bella. And like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. For now, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Deuces.